Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Bank of America to set up separate accounts for rentals, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable Bank of America to set up separate accounts for rentals, start by logging into your Bank of America online banking account. If you don't have an online account, you'll need to create one by clicking on the sign up link. Once logged in, locate the Accounts tab in the main navigation menu. Click on the Open a New Account option to begin the process. Select the type of account you want to open for your rental properties. Consider choosing a checking account or a savings account based on your needs. Review the account features to ensure they meet your requirements for management of rental income and expenses. Click on Continue to proceed with the application. Fill out the required personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Provide your employment details and income sources as prompted on the application. Next, you'll be asked to designate the account's purpose. Ensure to specify that it's for rental management. Read through the terms and conditions, then check the box to agree. Submit your application by clicking on the Submit button. Once the account is approved, you will receive a confirmation email. Return to the main online banking dashboard where your new account should now be displayed. To further manage your rental properties, set up online banking tools such as alerts and automatic transfers. For convenience, download the Bank of America mobile app to monitor your accounts while on the go. If you have multiple rental properties, repeat this process for additional accounts as needed. Keep track of all transactions related to your rentals for accurate record keeping. Consider setting a separate email address for rental income notifications to streamline communication. Regularly review your accounts for any fees that may be applied and adjust your strategy accordingly. Utilize the Bank of America customer service if you have questions or need assistance with your accounts. This will ensure you have a solid financial foundation for managing your rental properties effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.